Geopolitical tensions are back on the rise at the start of 2026, with the US launching land strikes on Venezuela, leading to the capture of its president, Nicolas Maduro, and his wife. Hello people, welcome back to our latest episode where we will try to find out how much the Indian markets, crude and precious metals like gold and silver be affected from the latest developments in Venezuela. According to CNBC TV, the move is likely to have repercussions on various asset classes, from crude oil prices to precious metals, as not only does Venezuela have abundant oil reserves but also significant presence of gold and precious metals. Venezuela has large crude oil reserves, and President Trump has already made it clear that US will be involved in running the administration of the country for the time being. अब हम ये जानने की कोशिश करेंगे कि इंडियन मार्केट्स में इसका क्या और कितना इम्पैक्ट दिख सकता है। सबसे पहले बात करें क्रूड ऑयल की, तो इट्स सप्लाई टू इंडिया इज लिमिटेड ड्यू टू द मल्टीपल सैंक्शंस imposed on the country. India's refiners have largely stopped buying Venezuelan crude due to sanctions, and India is not heavily dependent on Venezuela for oil, so the disruption is seen as manageable for India. Next, coming to gold and silver, a rise in geopolitical tensions always leads to a flight of capital out from risky assets into other safe havens such as gold and silver, and they are expected to see increased demand as investors seek safety, potentially leading to a gap-up opening for these precious metals. Next, moving to the equity markets, a cautious opening is anticipated, with some analysts predicting short-term dips in oil-related stocks, but the overall market might remain stable due to Venezuela's relatively small share in India's energy imports. So, in summary, we can conclude that while global uncertainty will rise, the Indian stock market's reaction is expected to be more of caution and sector-specific impacts, positive for commodities, negative for oil importers, rather than a major crash, with analysts advising a constructive but selective approach. So this is what we are expecting to happen in the markets this week, but in actual what happens, nobody can predict. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video and subscribe our channel to get the latest insights.